Late night staring at the ceiling, trying to numb the pain, but I'm still feeling too deep in the game, can't press rewind. I just pray that I make it in time.
Came up from the dirt, had to build my name. Life gave me L's, but I flipped that pain. Running through the city with a dream so big, had to stay low-key, had to move like a kid. See my bro lose life, that's a wound so deep. Mama still cry, she ain't getting no sleep. Trying to make it out, but the roads ain't fair. Had to keep my faith when nobody was there.
Ooh, hard times made me who I am. I was lost, but I found my plan. If I fall, I'ma stand again. Gotta fight, cause the pain don't end. Turned cold, had to move with caution. Seen the reaper, but I'm still here walking. Money don't fix what's broken inside, so I pray at night with my head held high.
Roll with the real, gotta watch for the fakes. Love turn hate when there's food on the plate. Told my dogs if I win, then we all gon' eat. But the envy runs deep in these cold ass streets.
Ooh, hard times made me who I am. I was lost, but I found my plan. If I fall, I'ma stand again. Gotta fight, cause the pain don't end. Tell me, do you feel my pain? Have you ever walked alone in the rain? Trying to change, but the past still haunts me. Trying to run, but the world still wants me. So I keep my head up, keep my face strong. Know my time coming, won't take too long. Still hear the melodies late at night, telling me, boy, you gon' be alright.